Hey guys, it's Bradley with Palette Collective. Today we're going to be doing cold brew inside a French press. We're going to need some good quality coffee. What we're going to use today is the Peixoto Ethiopian single origin. I already ground up the beans. We want the ground up beans to be a coarse, extra coarse grind size. That's what we're going for. That's usually the best for cold brew. Then we got our French press, a scale, and then we have some water brewing for our bloom stage. The ratio we're going to be doing is a 1:6 ratio. So we're going to do 100 grams of coffee and then 600 grams of water. For the bloom stage, we're going to do 100 grams of water and then we're going to wait about 40 seconds. So I'm going to dump in my 100 grams of coffee that I already ground up. I'm going to make sure it's all even. I'm going to tare my scale, and then my water is all ready to go. You want to make sure it's about just below boiling. So I'm going to start my timer for the bloom stage. I'm going to add that 100 grams. And then we're going to wait to 40 seconds and we'll be back. Okay, so our 40 seconds is up. Now we're going to add the rest of the water, which is about 500 grams. You're just going to do filtered water. You're not going to have hot water. You're going to fill that all the way up. Then you're going to take the top. You don't want to plunge it down. You just want it right above where the water is at. And then we're all set. You just want to put it in the fridge. You want to wait about 15 to 20 hours and then try it and you should be good to go. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks.